My boss came to me and said, I have a big list of data. I want you to summarize everything in a small single table. The device model should be listed down over here. And when I click the device list, I want the system to calculate and tell me how much is the total sale amount for that particular model and how much is the total margin for that particular model. I'll give you 1 hour to finish. Make sure you do it on time. I told him, I will try my level best, but I know that it can be finished within 5 minutes. I'll show you how I have done this. First of all, in this video, we will learn Excel table, data validation, formulas like unique and SUMIF. First of all, in order to make sure the data is dynamic, I select the data by pressing Ctrl A, then Ctrl T to make it as a table format. The importance of making as a table format is to ensure if you have a new set of data, when I add another data, it becomes part of the table. Whenever a team member add the data, it will automatically become part of the table. Now, next thing which I have done, I want to find out the unique list of devices over here. For that, I'm just using a small formula called unique, is equal to unique. Open the parenthesis. Select the entire list, close the bracket, click enter. Now all the unique items has been listed over here. Now I want to show this as a drop down list in my table. For this, I'm using the data validation. Click on the data validation, click list, then under the source, I'm going to come to the list which we have prepared. Select the entire list. I'm going to leave few more spaces so that if there is a new model comes in, it will be part of the table. Click OK. Now you can see the drop down list has been created. The next step is to calculate the total sum for each devices, for which we are going to use the formula is equal to SUMIF. Open the parenthesis. Now range will be the device model which is our criteria. So I'm going to select the entire device list, comma, then criteria is nothing but the device model. So I'll select this field, then comma, then sum range. Here, the sum which I need to calculate is the total amount, total sale amount, which is started from here to the end. Close the parenthesis, click enter. Now you can see a dynamic total sale amount has been created. If I change the model, the sum automatically changes. Now let's create total margin. In order to create a total margin, I use the same formula is equal to SUMIF. Open the parenthesis. Range again is the device model from starting to the end, comma, then criteria is same as device model, then comma, sum range will be here margin. So I'll select the margin from starting to the end, close the parenthesis, click enter. Now you can see the total sum amount for respective model has been captured over here. So next time, if you want to see the sum, the sale amount and the margin for each devices, you can just come over here, select the model, and then everything will be automatically updated. I hope you have liked this video. If you do, please share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.